Hello everyone. Now we are going to start with December month 1 to 4. Bihar won gold medal 40th edition India International Trade Fair. India International Trade Fair Art and Culture. Bihar won gold medal 40th edition. 40th edition of India International Trade Fair. India International Trade Fair. Bihar won gold medal at Art and Culture. Merriam-Webster World of the Year vaccine. Merriam-Webster Word of the Year vaccine. Portugal's Madria Island create the largest marine reserve in Europe and in the North Atlantica. And Portugal's capital Lisbon. Lisbon. Portugal's Madria Iceland create longest marine reserve in Europe. Bhopal gas tragedy 2nd December mark National Pollution Prevention Day. Bhopal gas tragedy 2nd December mark as a National Pollution Prevention Day. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs Smart Cities Mission for all 100 participating cities June 2023. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs Smart Cities Mission for all 100 participating cities June 2023. Jackfruit Arunachal Pradesh state fruit. First certified organic kiwi from Zero Valley Farms. Jackfruit Arunachal Pradesh state fruit. Ministry of Electronics and Telecommunication collaborated with UIDAI invent the unique face recognition technology life certificate for pensioners. MITI Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. This is collaborated with UIDAI for the unique face recognition technology life certificate for pensioners. International Day of Persons with Disabilities 3rd December. International Day of Persons with Disabilities 3rd December. Kohima Nagaland 9th International Tourism Mart Northeast Region. State Bank of India sign an agreement with Adani Capital Private Limited for co-lending to farmers. India Rating and Research GDP growth rate 9.4%. Sanjay Jain, CEO of India Debt Reconstruction Company IDRCL. India Debt Reconstruction Company Limited. Sanjay Jain, CEO. Chairman IDRCL. Chairman is Divakar Gupta and CEO is Sanjay Jain. IDFC First Bank First Metal Card First Private Infinite. IDFC First Bank First Metal Card. IDFC First Bank First Metal Card First Private Infinite plus Visa Banking and Investment. South Korea World First Sustainable Floating City. South Korea World First Sustainable Floating City with OceanX UN Habit. South Korea World First Sustainable Floating City OceanX. OECD 9.4% for financial year 22. First edition of Indian Young Water Professional Program. First edition of Indian Young Water Professional Program launched under National Hydrogen Project Water Management Reforms. First edition of Indian Young Water Professional Program. Dhanush Best Male Actor Award 6 Bricks Festival. Dhanush Best Male Actor Award 6 Bricks Festival. Actress Laura Bardoli on Wheels. Brazilian actress Laura on Wheels. ADB approved $500 million loan to Samagra Shiksha. ADB approved $500 million loan to Samagra Shiksha for quality education. Call Your COP Nagaland. Call Your COP scheme Nagaland. PNB 9.5% stake in Open Network for Digital Commerce, ONDC, Open Network for Digital Commerce, PNB. Salman Khan, COVID vaccine brand ambassador of Maharashtra. Salman Khan, brand ambassador of Maharashtra for COVID vaccination. Andhra Pradesh, rupees 686 crore, third tranche of Jagannath Vidya Divena scheme, education assistant. Andhra Pradesh 686 crore. Andhra Pradesh gives 686 crore for the third tranche of Jagannath Vidya Divena. Outlook shifting to a higher gear, report by DBS Group. India GDP at 7.7%. Outlook shifting higher gear, report DBC Group. Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency sign an MOU with THDC India Limited. RBI superseded the board of Reliance Capital Limited, Section 45(1)(e) of the RBI Act 1934, and also appointed Nageshwar new brand ambassador, new administrator of the company. Reliance Capital new administrator Nageshwar. Assam Bhabiv Award Ratan Tata. SBI sign an MOU with Usha International Limited sign an MOU with SBI for women entrepreneurship and NAV Navachetna SBI scheme SBI. G20 presidency Indonesia 22. Arjun Kumar Sikri designing the future of dispute resolution, the ODR policy plan for India. Arjun Kumar Sikri designing the future of dispute resolution, the ODR policy plan for India. A report on ODR released by Niti Aayog. Economics Intelligence Unit's worldwide cost of living index, most expensive city. Economics Intelligence Unit's worldwide cost of living index, most expensive city. Tel Aviv, Israel. India's first payments 10,000 white labels ATMs called India One ATM. India One payments 10,000 white label ATMs called India One ATMs. Headquarter of India One Payment Bengaluru. Headquarter Bengaluru. Sanjeev Kaushal, new Chief Secretary of Haryana. State Bank of India, dual listed USD 650 million green bonds. State Bank of India, dual listed USD 650 million green bonds. India International Exchange and Luxembourg Stock Exchange. Arunachal Pradesh Sanjay Dutt brand ambassador. Rahul Mitra, brand ambassador of 50th year of celebration. Rahul Mitra, brand ambassador 50th year of celebration. Computer Literacy Day 2nd December. Computer Literacy Day 7th December. 40th power generation capacity from non-fossil fuels. India. 40% power generation capacity from non-fossil fuels. India. The Ministry of Commerce and Industry scheme for investment promotion. The Ministry of Commerce and Industry scheme for investment promotion for 5 years with 970 crore to FDI promotion. Srivenala Sitarama Shastri, lyricist, Telangana. Lyricist, Telangana. 75th anniversary of Mahindra Group. The Ministry of State for Communication. Commemorative postage stamp. The Ministry of State for Communication. 75th anniversary of Mahindra Group. USD $135 million loan, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development to improve Operational efficiency and reliability of electric supply in West Bengal. $135 million loan. International Bank for Reconstruction and Development IBRD gives to loan for electricity supply in West Bengal. Saurav Ghoshal, first Indian to win Malaysia Open Squash Championship, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Saurav Ghoshal, first Indian to win Malaysia Open Squash Championship, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Ajay Bhushan Pandey, the government revisit criteria for economically weaker section. Ajay Bhushan Pandey, head of the meeting to determine economically weaker section, revisit the criteria for EWS category. Indian Army receive Hero drones from Israel to boost the Army's surveillance in Ladakh sector. Indian Army receive Hero drones from Israel. Indian Army receive Hero drones from Israel to boost the Army's surveillance in Ladakh sector. V. Praveen Rao, 7th Dr. M.S. Swaminathan Award. M.S. Swaminathan Award. V. Praveen Rao, 7th Dr. Swaminathan Award. Rinath Sandhu, co-chair 9th India European Union Energy Panel. Rinath Sandhu, co-chair 9th India European Union Energy Panel, along with European Commission Medchild Worldsruffer. Government allows 100% FDI in airlines and release norms for overseas investment in brownfield airports. Government of India allows 100% FDI in airlines. Indian state receives highest FDI. Karnataka is the state which receives highest FDI. Nagaland 59th Statehood Day, 1st December. Nagaland 59th Statehood Day, 1st December. Brand Ambassador of GUI and IIT Madras Startup Smriti Mandhana. Brand Ambassador of GUI and IIT Madras Startup Smriti Mandhana. International Day for Abolition of Slavery, 2nd December. International Day for Abolition of Slavery, 2nd December, across globe by United Nations. Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund launched India's first Nifty Alpha 50 exchange traded fund called Kotak Nifty Alpha 50 ETF in December. Operation started in 1998. MD Nilesh Saha and headquarter Mumbai, Maharashtra. Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund launches India's first Nifty Alpha 50 exchange traded fund, which is also known as Kotak Nifty Alpha 50 ETF. Kotak Nifty Alpha 50 ETF in December. MD of Kotak Mahindra Bank, Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund MD Nilesh Shah, headquarter Mumbai, Maharashtra. EDB approved water supply and sanitation projects in Uttarakhand, $125 million. EDB approved water supply and sanitation projects in Uttarakhand, $125 million. State of Finances, a study of budget 21-22 report. Cabinet combined debt to GDP ratio of state is expected to remain at 31%. Debt to GDP ratio is expected to remain at 31% by March 22 and 20% financial year 23. 20% financial year 23 and 31% by March 22. Border Security Force 57th Rising Day, 1st of December. Border Security Force 57th Rising Day, 1st December. Sambit Patra, Chairman of India Tourism Development Corporation for 3 years. Sambit Patra, Chairman of Indian Tourism Development Corporation for 3 years. Jharkhand web portal and mobile app Hamar Apan Budget. Jharkhand web portal and mobile app Hamar Apan Budget. General public on the state's budget. DBS Bank India, first paperless proposition financing of domestic invoices and domestic trade financing transaction with Lincoln Polymers Private Limited. DBS Bank, first paperless proposition. DBS Bank, first paperless proposition. Indian tennis player Rohan Bopanna, गॉट राज्योत्सव अवॉर्ड कर्नाटका. राज्योत्सव अवॉर्ड given by Karnataka. Tennis player Rohan Bopanna got this award. Rajasthan Award given by Karnataka. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation sign ONGC Limited sign an MOU with Solar Energy Corporation of India to enhance renewables and environment social governance project. United States lyricist Stephen Sondheim pass away. United States lyricist Stephen pass away. Federal Bank launch saving scheme. Federal Bank launch saving scheme Mahila Mitra Plus. Federal Bank launch Mahila Mitra Plus to provide financial planning and investment for women. ADB received rupees for 1500 crore from Japan Fund for property reduction reconstruction and to improve urban primary healthcare in India. NSO 8.4% financial year 2022. Dassault System sign an MOU with Tamil Nadu Indus Development Corporation to set up Tamil Nadu Center for Advanced Manufacturing to support MSME. Dassault System sign an MOU with Tamil Nadu Industrial Development Corporation. G20 Troika India, Indonesia, Italy. G20 Troika. India hosts G20 Leaders Summit 2023. Paytm Money Company launch portfolio management system. Paytm Money Company launch portfolio management system PMS Marketplace along with PMS Bazaar for its high net worth individual investor. Geeta Gopinath, IMF's first MD. IMF's first MD Geeta Gopinath. Naomi Kawase, UNESCO Goodwill Ambassador for Cultural and Creative Industries. Naomi Kawase, UNESCO Goodwill Ambassador for Culture and Creative Industries. Naomi. Bharat Dynamics Limited sign an MOU with Indian Army worth rupees 471.41 crore to supply IGLA 1M. Bharat Dynamics Limited sign an MOU with Indian Army. Worth rupees 471.41 crore. S&P Global rating India's GDP growth 9.5%. Madhya Pradesh sign an MOU with Walmart and its subsidiary Flipkart to train and support MSME. Madhya Pradesh, Walmart and its subsidiary Flipkart. Maitri Divas Friendship Day December 6 India Bangladesh 1971. Maitri Divas Friendship Day. World AIDS Day 1st of December World AIDS Day. Chairman of Niti Aayog Mr. Narendra Modi, Chairman of Niti Aayog. Credit B MS Swipe to launch cardless EMI retail store. Credit B MS Swipe to launch cardless EMI retail store. Jiangjing Wendi, China. RBI 3-member advisory committee to assist Reliance Capital Limited, Adani Nageshwar Rao. The line of insolvency and banker rule 2019. RBI member of 3-member advisory committee and Nageshwar Rao head. Manoj Kumar 34th Commandment National Defense NDC National Defense Commander. Manoj Kumar 34th. V. Praveen Rao 7th Dr. MS Swaminathan Award. Anju Bobby George Woman of the Year. World Athletics Woman of the Year, World Athletics, Anju. World's first quantum communication satellite, Mickey's China. World first quantum communication satellite, Mickey's China. Global Trade Updated Report. Global Trade Updated Report. UNCTAD global trade will increase 23% to reach $28 trillion in 2021. 28%. Global Trade Report 28% to reach $28 trillion. Parag Agrawal, CEO of Twitter. Parag Agrawal, CEO of Twitter. World AIDS Day, 1st December. End inequalities and end AIDS. End inequalities and end AIDS. Ministry of Commerce and Industry approve scheme of SIP 2025 to 26 implementing agency development for promotion of industries and internal trade. Ministry of Commerce and Industry approve SIP scheme. 10th Annual World Cooperative Monitor Report. World Cooperative Monitor Report. This is the 10th. Indian Farmers Fertilizer No Cooperative. Top 300 cooperatives. Number one cooperative. According to World Cooperative Monitor Report, India's Farmers Fertilizer is the number one cooperative. 100% government stake in Central Electronics Limited to Nandal Finance and leasing rupees to 10 crore. 100% government stake in Central Electronics Limited to Nandal Finance and leasing. Red Bus collab with Indian Railways Catering and Tourism Corporation to launch Red Rail ticket booking. Red Bus collaborated with Indian Railway Catering and Tourism to launch Red Bus Red Rail ticket booking. Ministry of Skill Development and Enterprises sign an MOU with Paytm to train 6,000 individuals for 3 years to fintech industry. Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship sign an MOU with Paytm to train 6,000 individuals. ADB rupees 15 crore Japan Fund for Poverty Reduction. ADB rupees 15 crore to Japan Fund for Poverty Reduction. Urban Primary Healthcare in India. Central Bank of India co-lending agreement with Agrivise Finserv Limited for agriculture loan. Central Bank of India Agrivise Finserv Limited. Central Bank of India Agrivise Finserv Limited for agriculture loan. Kotak Mahindra Bank Worldline sign an MOU with EMI services on debit card. Kotak Mahindra Bank sign an MOU with partner with Worldline. Kotak Mahindra Bank partner with Worldline EMI services on debit card. CEO Gillis Cabinet. Kotak Mahindra Bank CEO Gillis Cabinet. Headquarter Besançon, France. Indigenous Faith Day, 1st of December. Birth anniversary of Golgi Botte Tedam Rugbo. Golgi Rugbo, Arunachal Pradesh. Indigenous Faith Day, 1st of December. Birth anniversary of Golgi, Arunachal Pradesh. RailTel sign an MOU with Common Service Center to increase broadband penetration in rural and semi-urban areas. RailTel sign an MOU with Common Service Center. MD Puneet Chawla under Ministry of Railway. MD Puneet Chawla. RailTel MD Puneet Chawla under Ministry of Railway. World Newest Republic Barbados. Diniar Patel won the 4th Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay NIF Books Prize. Diniar Patel won 4th Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay NIF Book Prize. Nehruji Pioneer of Indian Nationalism, a biography. RBI superseded Reliance Capital Limited. RBI appointed an administrator of Reliance Capital Limited, Nageshwar Rao. Thank you so much for watching the video.